Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to CC in Gmail. This feature allows you to keep additional people in the loop on email conversations, making it perfect for team updates or when multiple people need to stay informed about the same communication. First, open your web browser and type mail.google.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to Gmail's login page. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials now to access your inbox. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the Compose button. Click on it to open a new email window. This is where you'll craft your message and add all the recipients who need to see it. In the To field, start by typing the email address of your primary recipient. This is the person you're directly addressing in your message. Now here's the key step. Look to the right end of the To field where you'll see a small CC button. Click on it and a new field will appear right below. This CC field is where you'll add anyone else who should receive a copy of the email. Go ahead and type the email addresses of everyone you want to CC. If you're adding multiple people, you can separate their addresses with either commas or spaces. Gmail will recognize them automatically. The CC field is particularly useful when you want to keep colleagues, managers, or team members informed without making them the primary focus of the email. Now compose your email as you normally would. Add your subject line and write out the body of your message. Everything works exactly the same as a regular email. The only difference is who receives it. Before you hit send, there's one important thing to keep in mind. Everyone listed in both the To and CC fields can see each other's email addresses. This transparency is built into how CC works, so it's perfect for professional communication where visibility is important, but you might want to use BCC instead if privacy is a concern. When you're ready, simply click the send button. Your email will be delivered to everyone in both the To and CC fields simultaneously, keeping everyone in the conversation together. Thanks for watching.